Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I wanted to share some tips on different ways that can help to achieve effortless chic style. Starting with my first tip. So that is to keep things simple and work with basics. This is something I've adopted over the past few years. It's built up of different formulas that make it easy to get dressed every day and also makes for fail-proof outfits. So I'll combine classic tees with basic trousers, and as these are essential pieces, they'll never go out of style, and they're also a great foundation to build on with accessories to really make an outfit more personal and more unique to you. Now, basic pieces aren't restricted to looking boring. I'm wearing this beautiful romantic blouse from Suzanne, and I just think that really helps to elevate a really classic piece, and it means that it's more tailored to you and your personal style and I guess aesthetic. Having basic pieces means a more versatile and interchangeable wardrobe, and therefore limitless outfits. I gather so much inspiration from online creators and Pinterest. Pinterest has been a great tool to help me get dressed. It's made the whole process easier, and having the basic pieces means I'm able to create an outfit that I've been inspired by. I always tend to revert back to my inspiration board on Pinterest when it comes to getting ready. And when I find an outfit that I like and I want to draw inspiration from it, or maybe just completely copy and paste it, it's really easy because of the staple pieces that I already have in my wardrobe. Like this outfit here, it's just made up of really classic pieces that I'm sure everybody has in their wardrobe. I also spend a lot of time on Pinterest on my phone when I'm really stuck for outfit inspiration before getting dressed. Here I came across a picture of Rosie Huntington and I absolutely loved her outfit. I loved the whole look, so I really wanted to create a look inspired by it. My next tip is to keep a limit of 3 colours in an outfit. Now, not only does this rule make getting dressed a seamless process, but it keeps a general outfit looking more simple and effortless. My wardrobe is made up of very neutral tones, in particular navy, black, beige and white. Now this just allows me to make up multiple outfits with my pieces and interchange my outfits. This is a tip that's really helped me over the years and has been a massive factor in helping me to achieve a capsule wardrobe. You can still have fun with just a maximum of 3 colours, you can go monochrome, but it just helps to keep things really classic and simple and understated, and therefore more chic. Accessories is always a place where I felt you can really inject a lot of personality. They help to elevate an outfit and also add a sophisticated and chic spin. So I wanted to share a few of my favourite pieces from Fedoma. This is a brand that has effortless Parisian style at its core. I have a habit of wearing the same pieces on rotation, and having those pieces becomes a signature over time. Like this beautiful gold ring that will be making a constant appearance. The pieces from Fedoma are so versatile and I'm able to wear these during the day and in the evening. I personally really love the combination of really classic timeless pieces, but it has a really romantic twist to them. What I really love about jewellery is that you can make a statement or you can keep things really delicate. It completely depends on the outfit. I love layering chains as well, just like I have done here. I really love this combination. I think it looks really nice with a understated simple sweater. This pair of earrings really help to jazz up an outfit as well, especially if you have a really minimal wardrobe. Just having a playful edge to an outfit can make it feel more unique. Having the right shoes can make an outfit, and it can really take it from casual to formal. I found that pointed shoes can help to elevate a look to something more chic, and opting for a classic loafer makes an outfit more relaxed without compromising on looking sophisticated and polished. Investing in the perfect pair of shoes that's going to last the test of time is really important, and I love this pair here from Arcare. They go with so many outfits. They're perfect for spring, and they're also perfect for both formal events and casual events, which means that it's really great to introduce into a really simple capsule wardrobe. One of my favourite purchases is a handheld steamer. I take this guy on every trip. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect, but avoiding major wrinkles in clothing will help to make your outfit look more expensive and polished. Especially when you have a crisp white shirt or tailored trousers, it makes the biggest difference and you'll notice it hang better on your body. Taking the time out in the morning to do this step makes the biggest difference, and it will really help to make your outfit look more put together and also look more polished. This tip is of course subject to personal taste and preference, but having the perfect everyday bag can really pull an outfit together, whatever colour that may be in. And if you have a favourite bag in a bright colour, this can add as a beautiful accent. Investing in a classic handbag is great as it'll last you for years and years, and you won't get bored of it and it'll go with everything. I personally opt for a smaller bag as it looks more delicate on my frame, and a classic shape will really help to elevate a classic outfit. So those are some of my tips on how to look more effortless and chic. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!